About a typhoon, I've been worried about earthquakes, but I haven't thought so much about a typhoon.
Yeah, we'll be in probably around Kyoto, Osaka area for the typhoon.
Typhoon is actually approaching to Japan.
Oh no.
And it's going to hit Japan next Monday and Tuesday.
Oh dear.
Yeah, so did you know that?
No.
So if the typhoon hit here, what would you do?
That's an excellent question.
Right.
I'd just follow local advice. Yeah, I don't know. Thought about a typhoon. I've been worried about earthquakes, but I haven't thought so much about a typhoon. Will we be on Monday and Tuesday? Osaka or Kyoto?
Osaka and Kyoto. Yeah, I think the typhoon is going to hit Osaka and Kyoto too.
Oh.
Probably. But you have to stay safe.
We will.
Maybe you can stay inside the hotel.
Okay.
And check with the staff at the hotel about the information.
Yeah.
Have any idea about maybe you can do this to enjoy the time during typhoon?
Probably just eat beautiful Japanese food and drink some sake.
Nice.
Yeah. What do you think?
Yeah, I think that's a great idea.
Yeah.
So did you try any Japanese food?
We just had our first meal. We went to, what was the name of we went to a restaurant park at the top of a department store, just right near Shinjuku Station.
Oh, is that Kabuki Tower?
No, it was another one.
Oh.
Terry, I can't remember what it was called, sorry.
And what did you have?
We had sushi.
You had sushi?
Yeah, and it was just amazing.
Is it different in Australia?
Melbourne is probably one of the best food cities in the world, I think, and it has food from all over the world. So we actually have really good Japanese restaurants, which we both love to go to, and it's very good, authentic Japanese food. So, I mean, this food was beautiful, absolutely beautiful, very fresh. But yeah, it's not like we haven't tried it, because Melbourne does have excellent Japanese restaurants.
Understand.
Yeah.
I hope you'll try the great one here.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah. If you can tell me anyone that we have to go to, then we will definitely go.
And did you know that next week the typhoon is going to hit Japan?
No. This is news to us, man.
Well, that'd be cool to see, though, but
So next Monday and Tuesday.
Did you say typhoon?
Typhoon.
And what will that look like? Have you experienced one yourself?
Sure, yeah.
A lot in Japan.
Yeah.
All over Japan, or just?
It's in like a center of Japan, like a Tokyo area and the Osaka area.
Okay.
But
So we'll be there. Yeah, we'll be in probably around Kyoto, Osaka area for the typhoon.
Yeah.
We'll try and hold on to our hats.
Obviously, you have to stay safe during typhoon, right?
Yeah.
But,
How does one stay safe in a typhoon, mate?
Yeah.
How? You stay inside, or?
Yeah, you stay inside.
Okay.
Yeah.
Stay inside. But are you going to stay at the hotel next week?
We'll be in a hostel.
Hostel, yeah.
Hotel.
We're moving, mainly hostels.
Yeah, whatever's cheap.
Yeah.
So you have to figure out what to do during typhoon inside the hotel.
Yeah.
Hopefully they help us with that. But
definitely.
We should go to a 7-Eleven and stock up.
Yeah, stock up, a few beers, and lock in.
Yeah.
We've got a speaker, play some music.
Yeah, definitely.
Read some books.
Probably you can buy some snacks or sweets from 7-Eleven.
Oh, for sure, man.
Definitely.
Yeah, we'll have a big snack day.
Yeah.
We'll feast on all the new and exciting Japanese snacks that we can find.
Yeah.
Do you guys like snacks here?
I haven't tried too many.
Yeah. Our snacks have mainly been the kind of sushi rolls and the different bits, not like sweet
Anything
things.
wrapped in seaweed.
Yeah, literally. So, but we're keen to try all sorts, man.
Yeah. You can try chips and chocolate.
Yeah.
And they're sweet, like cream puff.
Yeah.
Cream puffs. Yeah.
Burst in your mouth.
Yeah.
So you can buy all of them.
Yeah.
And you can just try it during the typhoon.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah. That's a good point, actually.
That's like a plan,
we can use the typhoon to just
eat loads.
and next time you see us, we'll be
2 times bigger.
Yeah.